Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Will your TV not turn on and there's no standby light? The most common fix for this is swapping out the power supply board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts today, we can help you get your TV back up and running. For as little as $20 and 20 minutes, TV Parts today can help you get your TV fixed at home. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts today has you covered every step of the way. Check out our website and our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.